challenge the order of the speaker, wherein he had dismissed our disqualification petition, saying that all these 12 MLAs had not incurred disqualification. The Honorable High Court today was pleased to dismiss our petition, thereby upholding the order of the speaker. We have to still read the order. Only the judgment has been pronounced, saying that the petition has been dismissed. We'll have to read, but anyways, this is something which we feel that we will be going to the Supreme Court and challenging the judgment of the Honorable High Court. Basically, because we feel that this virtually leads to a situation where the existence of the political party in the democratic system is being questioned. So that being the case, I think we will be going to the Supreme Court and challenging this order.
Sir, what exactly said in the pronouncement?
Basically, the only pronouncement done was there were 8 issues framed by the Honorable High Court. All of them have been answered against the petitioner, and therefore the petitions have been dismissed. Beyond that, we'll have to read the order, what exactly is there in the order. Only thereafter we will be able to comment on that.
And schedule clear party and legislative status.
According to us, it is absolutely clear that for a valid merger under the 10th schedule, two twin requirements are there. That firstly, there should be a merger of the political party, and thereafter, two-thirds of the members have to agree to that merger. What the other side had agreed, and I think which is the view upheld by the Honorable High Court, is that if two-thirds of the members of the legislature party agree or they decide to merge, they by themselves can initiate a merger process and complete it, which to our understanding was not the correct position. But now the High Court has taken a view that it is permissible. So obviously that's the view of the High Court. We are bound by it. But obviously we are thinking of challenging it in the Supreme Court, because this is going to be something which is questioning the role of political party itself in the entire democratic process. Because it's virtually that two-thirds of the members will take some decision and the political party will virtually have no say at all in this entire process.
जी ऑर्डर दिल्ली बाय हायकोर्टान दिल्ली आसा आमची पिटिशन डिसमीस करून ती is on unexpected lines, and we are going to challenge it Supreme Court, because the very existence of political parties is in the question, and the politics that is taking place all over country today, it will encourage the kind of politics of Narendra Modi government at center. With the use of money, they can change the mandate of the people. So this actually order goes against the existence of political parties and existence of democratic values. So it is setting a bad precedence in the country, where after the elections, few MLAs can come together and take a decision irrespective of what political party which has nominated them as a candidate, with which this candidate got elected, with the party's programs, party's manifesto, party's agenda, and symbol. Irrespective of that, the few MLAs will join together. They may take money from the party in power and can break away. So this is going to set a bad precedence, not only for the Congress party, but all the political parties across country. And we definitely needs to challenge it at the Supreme Court, because very spirit of the 10th schedule has been destroyed by this order. The purpose of the 10th schedule is to prevent defection. The very spirit of the 10th schedule is to prevent this horse trading. And that is why I think it's a necessary that this order needs to be challenged. So mandate change करपाक so power आयज ह्या ऑर्डरीन आमदारांक दिल्लो आसा. सो जो एक ज्या स्पिरिटान 10th शेड्यूल हाडले कित्याक ह्या देशांत की कोण तरी उठ्ठाले आनी वचून दुसरे पार्टीक जॉयन जाताले आनी लोकांचो जो मॅन्डेट आशिल्लो तो चेंज करताले, ज्या खातीर वोटींग केल्या लोकांनी ते चेंज जाताले. आनीक आयज देशभरान आमी पळयल्लें आसा की कशें करून लोक वोटिंगाक एक पार्टीक दितात आणि तेजे नंतर दुसरोच सरकार त्या आमदारांक फोडटा आणि आपलो सरकार सत्तेर दवरता. सो हें सगळें जर क्लियर जातलें जाल्यार ही ऑर्डर आमकां चॅलेंज करपाक पडटली. आनीक एक क्लियर मॅन्डेट म्हाका दिसता सुप्रीम कोर्टा कडल्यान घेवचो पडटलो की एक्झॅक्टली 10th शेड्यूल इज टू एनकरेज द डिफेक्शन, is to encourage the merger, or it is to prevent that. That the Honorable Supreme Court will have to make it clear the very intent of this 10th schedule, the spirit of the 10th schedule, the purpose of the 10th schedule, whether it is to encourage such type of mergers and the defections and to overturn the mandate of the people, or it is to set it right. तुका अनेक क्वेश्चन येता की बी फॉर्माचो व्हॅल्यू कितें जाता काय म्हणून. जे बी फॉर्म एक पॉलिटिकल पार्टी नॉमिनेट करता त्या बी फॉर्माचो व्हॅल्यू ह्या ऑर्डरीन झिरो करून उडयला. सो देर आर मेनी क्वेश्चन्स that will raise after this order. This order is not going to answer many questions. On the contrary, this order is going to raise number of questions. It's open for number of questions that will give rise from now onwards.